1979, via Chicha Site video to update status report for today, June the 6th, 2021. Let's take one social media address etc. And basically, let me talk loud because it's really loud. The train that I was on, this one, wound up going in the tunnel, did not take off and came right back. I found the record here, like what the fuck? And then this one over here, got a whole bunch of male bones and stuff like that. Not getting under the oar. And waiting, I'm still here to get a oar. And waiting for a decent one to come around. That was very weird. Right there inside that tunnel, and came right back. 40 inches is powerful because you got these people that believe they're powerful, taking over a system that they cannot create, serve everything they get. And thank goodness I know they go through their life. Alright, I'm gonna let me let this play a little longer. They tried to scare me. I said, make sure you nap on that train when you get drugged and close molested because the other ones, they got worse bombs, worse stalkers. You know? Definitely don't know what's wrong. They try to mind it. I should be having my property that I can actually guess, and I guess I give it a score of a 99.99.1. I'm 45 years of age. Anything that belongs to my previous self by birth, I should have been known about a long time ago. And there's someone resting their head on my property. Not only is their death thoughtful, but I'm talking about grand spectacle from head to toe. Well, 8 billion people. 8 billion people coming out of the pocket of 8 billion people. And the sake of my consumption. And what I noticed is that the number to the card is changed. It has me wondering how the fuck they changed that number so fast. That number was a different number. They changed that literally no fucking time. Quick, fast, and came right back. Same parts. Just notice that all the numbers have been who takes over this time. They went right there and then right back. Unless this movie opens up, the other one, or was another train behind that. Let's see. Oh, we were right there. Right. This train right here has been there for quite some time. It should have taken off before that. This is the horrible away from Alright, so I'm gonna end with that video too. USA the regular versus 1979. Yeah, good video. It really does look like someone tampered with my clothes. But again, as I said, these to these powerful beings that watch my videos, the creators, the bound marriage with the out, you read the minds. You should not let it go to the point where they even able to think about my self at all. Period. So, yeah. If we want to believe that I'm gonna get scared because the driver is going to be thinking about me and he's gonna croak and get into a car accident. No, that won't happen. I'm highly protected. But we should not be thinking about me at all. I'm not like that. Not having their themselves. Or they believe should not be able to be breathing long enough to put their hands on my clothes and or drug me while I'm there. So I'm gonna end it with that USA the Red World Constitution 1979 just size 20 around the